how to get Robux with SWEATCOIN. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To get started, go ahead and open SWEATCOIN on your device and sign into your account. Now make sure that you have collected enough SWEATCOIN to be able to buy items on the shop tab. So once you're signed into your account, go ahead and head over into the rewards tab. And as you can see, in here you can find the options that you can buy using your SWEATCOIN. As a premium user on SWEATCOIN, the auction section is accessible, but it's not available for free users. And in this section, you can actually find random items and gift cards that you can actually buy using your SWEATCOIN, and among these would be a Robux gift card. If you're a SWEATCOIN premium user, you should keep an eye on this section. But if you are not a premium user, you can also buy a gift card on the shop section using your SWEATCOIN, but it would cost a lot more than the reward section. So the smallest amount of gift card that you can buy on SWEATCOIN using your SWEATCOIN would be a $3 gift card. You can find that below this section. So that's basically how you can get Robux with SWEATCOIN. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.